If you've lost access to the email associated with your Uber Eats account, you can still recover it by following these steps. This guide will help you regain access to your account using alternative methods. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Tap on Need Help. On the login screen, look for the Need Help option. This is usually found below the login fields. Tap on it to access the support options. Step 3. Select Account and Payment Options. In the Help menu, choose Account and Payment Options. This section contains various account-related issues, including recovery options. Step 4. Choose I can't access my account. Find and select the option that states I can't access my account. This will guide you through the recovery process for users who cannot access their accounts. Step 5. Follow the prompts for recovery. You will be prompted to provide information such as your phone number or any other details associated with your account. Follow the instructions provided to verify your identity and recover your account. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Uber Eats account even without your email. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber Eats customer support for further assistance.